Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Japan Crate. This is an Umai crate, one of their different subscription boxes. This just came yesterday, and so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Okay. So upon opening the box, you'll be greeted by a pamphlet. As you can see here, it's the July 2020 Umai crate. This pamphlet gives you information about everything you will find in this box and how to prepare it. If you lose this and you can't read Japanese instant noodle packaging, you're going to be in trouble. So don't lose this, okay? It also includes a recipe card. Alright, so as I usually do, now I'm going to take a look at each item and give you some info. First off, this is called cha soba. So cha soba is a thin Japanese noodle infused with green tea, or cha for short. They're from the Bonshu region, and yeah, if you like green tea, this will be up your alley. So what you could use that green tea noodle with is this. This is Hakata udon soup. So yeah, sometimes they'll have a noodle and a soup that maybe you'd go to the grocery store and get a couple ingredients and make a meal. So this is another ingredient for something like that. Next up, we've got some Kumamon Tororo udon. A staff favorite, back with Kumamon ready to udon with you. The fresh, chewy noodles are a nice change from traditional ramen. Next up, we've got some Itsuki soba. And I remember they included this one before, and it was quite good. It's kind of like a Tanuki soba, but they're fresh noodles, and it works really good. So, yeah, worth a try. Next up, we've got a Michio Kawamura one. I believe Kenko Foods makes this, and this is their nature miso ramen. Yeah, this Kawamura guy is a radio show host, and he talks about healthy foods, I believe is his main focus. And the Kenko stuff, the stuff with his logo and picture on it, they're generally pretty good. They lean on these a lot in these Umai crates, so yeah, good stuff. Next up, we've got some yuzu udon. Yuzu is a kind of citrus from Japan. It's not an orange, it's not a grapefruit. Kind of smaller, interesting stuff. And then it's udon, so it's kind of a citrusy udon. Not a huge fan of this, but a lot of you are, so yeah, probably a lot of people will really like this. Next up from Yamamoto, we have their Tanuki Oyaji Spicy Ramen. This one's good. I've had this one before. It's got a nice spiciness to it. It's tasty, and yeah, this is a good, give you a good idea about Tanuki ramen. And just got a nice little bit of bite to it. So, yeah. Well, this is cool. This one is from a company called Higashi Maru, who was on the very, very, very first top 10 list I ever did back in, I believe, 2011. And this is their Shoyu Hayashi Chuka. So this is a cold noodle, and it's kind of got a sweetness to it. It's got a little bit of bonito flavor to it. I've had a lot of Hayashi soba before, and it's really good with cold vegetables, things like that. Maybe some, cold meats. Yeah, this one should be really good. I'm really excited to see this one in this mix. Now it's time for the bonus item. This month's bonus item is fish kazuri powder. This kazuri powder is made of sardine and mackerel shavings and can be a great substitute for bonito flakes atop many different dishes, or mixed with water for a flavorful dashi stock. Alright, so in the July 2020 Umai crate, you get fish powder, yuzu udon, Tanuki Oyaji spicy ramen, Hayashi chuka soba, Kumamon tororo udon, healthy miso, some fresh Itsuki soba, Hakata udon soup, green tea noodle, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Well, cool. Thank you very much for watching. Say, if you want to get one of these boxes, head on over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRater for a discount. Alright, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.